It's everybody. Leader one. Is everybody here? Group two. Where's leader? Leader is not here.
Sleeping.
Leader lost. Oh, here you are. Sorry. So leader two. Is everybody here? $2? $2. Is everybody here? Of your group, 10 person? Okay, $2. Okay, now guys, I would like to introduce something about here. Here, right now, what we step on. This is just Thiananmen Square. But what's Thiananmen Square? Actually, Thiananmen means gate. Just mention about that right one, that right gate. Don't worry, later I will give you free time to walk around. So Tian means heaven. Tian is, there's Chinese in our group, right? Tian means heaven. Yeah. And An means peaceful. So Thiananmen means the heavenly peaceful. So just mention about that gate. The gate's name is Heavenly Peaceful Gate. And Thiananmen Square just means the square in front of that gate. So that's mentioned about this square. Actually, how big it is? It just start from where we come in and to the end of this, to the end of the road over there, and then the big area here, just Thiananmen Square. Why there's so many persons here? What happens here? Just like Moscow, if you've been there, just that Thiananmen Square used to be the biggest city square, and then every most important thing is all happen here in China. For example, a Spring Festival. It must be okay. English is okay, right?
Yeah.
For example, National Day of China, Spring Festival, and can you hear me? Spring Festival, and as well as Olympic Park. You know, they have park center, but they do have some ceremony here. Opening ceremony, closing ceremony, all in all, everything important. They will all do something, celebration here in Thiananmen Square. And then what's more, here used to be parts of the Forbidden City. That means where the Emperor's palace. And that's in the old days. Since the People's Republic of China in 1949, Chairman Mao made here an open square. And what's more, he is just standing on the top of that gate, proclaim the founding of the People's Republic of China. So from then on, even though over there, that's an ancient building from 1420, is the palace for the emperor, but it's already becoming the symbol of new China. So every Chinese, that's why here is so many persons. There's all together 1.3 billion Chinese. 1.3 billion. And 22 million of them here, living here in Beijing. In Beijing, the population of Beijing is 22 million. Any others of them who is not really living in Beijing once in their whole life, they hope they can come here, at least step on, conversion to see what our country's heart looks like. That's why here's so many visitors. Some is Chinese, some is foreigner like you guys, but all in all, visitors. Just like a place you have to go. That's why. And what's more, let me introduce you one by one. What about this one first thing? Can you see the things over there? There's a big building, not a tower. The building back over there, which has a lot of column. That one called Renmin the people, 大会, the big conference. Tang just like a hall. Actually, it's the ballroom, parliament. The parliament, yes, thank you. The parliament of the government. You can see they got a three part: the left wing, the middle part, and the right wing. Sorry. The left wing for the small room. That is where for different province. You know, in China we don't have the states, we have a lot of province. That's where they have their own province meeting. When every March is coming, there's a lot of people coming here. March, February, March, April, March. With March coming, there will be a lot of person coming here. They present their own province coming here to have a big meeting with the chairman and the whole system. So the middle ballroom inside, you can see the middle, that's called the, actually, 万人大会堂. One means 10,000 because inside of that ballroom can altogether hold 10,000 people sitting inside altogether. And to the right wing, which is a little bit behind that tower, that's the banquet hall. So if your president or chairman come here, I don't know where are you from different country, United Nations, or your leader of your country is coming, they have a banquet with our chairman, we'll have it there. So that's the parliament, 人民大会堂, and the middle tower. You see middle tower over there, which is made of pure marble. The name of it is 人民英雄纪念碑. The meaning was that because in China we have the 2,000 years feudal society. By the way, do you need time to translate? Is English okay? 可以吗？英语？要不要翻译一下？就是英语 OK 吗？差不多。Okay. Okay, slowly. So the middle tower, what do you see? The highest one over there is named 人民英雄纪念碑. Because in China we have the 2,000 years feudal society. During those 2,000 years, there's many people die for the fighting for the freedom for any others. But there's too many of them. They are nameless. So since they have the People's Republic of China, they just make this tower just in order to remember everyone, but who is nameless, including Chen Mao himself. And what's more, to the north end, that right gate, I already told you, is Thiananmen Peaceful Gate. Has Chairman Mao's picture on the top of it. Actually, you can see the golden orange color roof over there. This golden color will be the royal color because that is the entrance, one of the entrance gate of the old Forbidden City. That means where the emperors living in old days. Today is of course the whole system finished. The feudal society, Qing dynasty, the last feudal society, Qing dynasty, finished in 1911. From then on everything finished. So the palace just becoming a new museum named the Forbidden City because it's forbidden for normal people to step in. It's called city because it's huge, very big. And then that's the main entrance of it. And to the right of us, can you see a building to the right of us here? This one? Yeah, this is 中国国家博物馆. Actually, it's Chinese National Museum. Two parts. Revolutionary Museum as well as a historical museum. And it's a very good place. Yeah. That is a good place, very good place to, if you want to study the history of China. That's a good place. And back over there, the square one where we pass by. This one, there, you can see many Chinese, but 99% of them is really just Chinese. Standing in a line, walking inside. What's inside? That's Chairman Mao's mausoleum. You know Chairman Mao, right? Honestly speaking, for our generation, I'm born in 1980s, we have no that special feeling because time's changing. We just know our grandma told us he's great. Yeah, he's great, but just we appears in different age. So you can see most of them will be the visitors from the other province. That means visitors, Chinese visitors, when they come in, they have to, at least instead of their grandfather or grandmother, come here to worship for him. So if you want to go inside, reservation and then put everything outside. I mean, bag, wallet, camera, nothing, just yourself. That's why you can see a lot of bags putting on the ground. Somebody take care of them. And then slowly walk inside. So sometimes the line is, you can see only one line, but when they turn in, they zigzag like this. Sometimes take 1 hour. The longest one I'm waiting outside to go in is 1 hour, well, 20 minutes. And since you get in a few, because you cannot stop, you just like this, keep walking inside of that gate. And then about 30 meters away, there is Chairman Mao's crystal coffin. His body is still inside, so that's for the people coming here to worship for him. Okay, this is about Chairman Mao's mausoleum. And this is just something important construction in the Thiananmen Square. Now I would like to give you free time. After free time, now it's 10:23. Everybody gonna watch, right? 10:23. So 10 点 10 minutes later, 15 minutes, let's say 15 minutes later, 10:40, let's say 10:40. 10:40. Sorry guys, I will standing here with the flower waiting for you here, okay? So then everybody's coming back here, so convenient time. Thank you for your cooperation. We need to go to the next place. The things I would like to say is that because this is open square, since you don't get out, it's very, very difficult to get in. You see how difficult it is. With the group, it's still difficult. With yourself, no way. Check the bag one by one, even passport. So don't get out. Just go around here. And once more, I'm here waiting for you. 10:40 is the time we gather here, and we are leading to the market. So we are going to shop there. If you want to shopping, do bargain with. I will tell you how much bargain you can get. A lot actually. Okay, you got that, guys? Any question, ask me. I'm here waiting for you. Okay. If you want to repeat again, I will do that if you like. So now free time.